Welcome to Summarize Science. What if we could see our dreams or memories on a screen? Scientists are getting closer to this reality by using AI to reconstruct images directly from a person's brain activity. This has always been incredibly difficult, as everyone's brain is wired differently. Typically, training an AI for a new person would require massive supercomputers and dozens of hours of brain scan data. But a new framework called NeuroSwift is changing the game. Researchers have developed a system that, after being trained on one person, can adapt to a new person with just 1 hour of data. And it's so efficient it can be trained on consumer-level hardware, like the GPUs you'd find in a high-end gaming PC. So how does it work? NeuroSwift uses a clever two-part approach. The first part, called the structural pipeline, analyzes the brain signals to figure out the basic layout and shapes in the scene, like a blurry sketch. The second, semantic pipeline, focuses on understanding the meaning of the scene. It identifies the key objects and concepts, like a person riding a bicycle or boats on the water. This slide shows why both parts are crucial. When the AI only uses the structural part, you get vague outlines with no clear objects. When it only uses the meaning part, you get the right concepts, but the image is a jumbled mess. Only by combining the two does NeuroSwift produce a clear and accurate reconstruction. And the results are stunning. On the left is the original image a person was shown. In the middle is the reconstruction after 40 hours of training on a single subject. But on the right, you can see the results from 3 different people after the model was fine-tuned for just 1 hour each. It remarkably captures the essence of these complex scenes. When compared against other state-of-the-art methods, NeuroSwift consistently performs better. Look at this example of the bicycle. The other models either miss the bike entirely or misinterpret the scene, while NeuroSwift reconstructs both the bike and the surrounding traffic correctly. Even when fully trained on a single person for 40 hours, it outperforms its competitors by more accurately recreating the spatial layout of the original image. So let's recap the breakthrough here. NeuroSwift is a new AI that is both lightweight and highly effective at reconstructing images from fMRI brain scans. Its key innovation is a dual pathway system that separates structure from meaning, allowing it to adapt to new people with unprecedented speed and efficiency. The implications for the future are massive. This technology could one day lead to communication devices for people with paralysis, give us a window into our dreams, or create entirely new forms of brain-controlled art and entertainment. While it's still early days, NeuroSwift marks a significant leap forward in decoding the visual world from our minds. Thank you for joining us on Summarize Science.